I'm going to tell you how to get code from Emergent AI, and I'll keep this simple and general as possible. Before anything, make sure your account is fully set up and your subscription includes code access, because some features won't show if your plan doesn't support it. Once you're logged in, head to the section where your projects or prompts are saved. Every platform has its own name for it, but it's usually your main workspace. Open the project you want to export, then look for any option that says download, export, or something similar. Sometimes it appears as a small icon or inside a drop down menu. Platforms often let you choose how you want to save things: zip, a single file, or even a copy to clipboard option. So pick whatever makes sense for you. After downloading, check your folder to make sure all the files or modules are there, since some tools split code into parts. And as a quick tip, always review or regenerate the summary of your project before exporting so you know exactly what you're downloading. That's the easiest way to pull and save your code from Emergent AI. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.